Hi, I'm with Gabriel from the University of Manchester in the Discover Zone at the Times Cheltenham Science Festival. Now Gabriel's going to tell us all about graphene. So, what is it?
Okay, so graphene is one of the most amazing materials in the world, at least for me. So it's essentially a single atom layer of carbon atoms. Now that sounds very complicated, but it's actually quite simple. If you've ever used a pencil to write anything, you've actually peeled off graphene. Okay, so a pencil lead is made out of graphite, and graphite is a layered material. Imagine like a book made out of lots of layers of sheets of paper, and say if you peel them off, it's something similar to that. So we have graphite, thousands and thousands of of layers of graphene, and if you get down to one single layer, you actually start seeing some really amazing properties that do not appear on bulk graphite.
Why do they not appear in bulk graphite then?
Because of the sort of physical interaction between the different layers changes the properties.
So it has to be one layer to get that strength?
Yes, and if you get say 2, 3, up to 5 layers, the properties start to change but are still different to bulk graphite.
Okay.
And then once you get to say maybe 20, 50 layers, then the properties start resembling just more simple graphite.
Okay, cool. And you're going to show me how to make graphite.
Sure.
Graphene, sorry.
Yeah.
And you can do this at home, can you?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah? So what do you need?
Okay, so you need a little bit of graphite, which over here we have a little powder that we've placed under our sticky tape.
So that's just shavings from a pencil?
You could do it with a pencil, yes. A pencil contains a little bit of a few other things. This is more pure graphite, but it could work.
Okay.
So we just need to peel off the...
So you're using sticky plastic?
Yeah.
But you could use sellotape, could you?
Yeah, exactly. Because essentially what we want to do is to peel off the layers of the that make up the graphite.
Okay.
So that's what we do with the tape. So we're just going to peel off. So here we have the tape.
Right.
And then you're going to bring the two ends together. Stick them together and then pull them apart. And you see that they start breaking.
Yeah.
And you sort of getting them all over. I say keep going. If you keep going for now 20 times or so,
20 times?
we may get some monolayer flakes.
Monolayer?
Yeah. That's like the golden one.
So I've hit the jackpot if I get monolayer. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Right, that's enough.
Right.
So you're going to put it under that microscope?
Yes. So this is light that is coming through the sample.
So the dark ones are thick layers.
Yep.
So like that one, for example, that's quite light, so that could be one.
Yeah.
So that's graphene.
Yeah. That's either monolayer graphene or what people like to call few-layered graphene.
That's a technical term, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if people at home want to find out more about graphene, where can they find out more?
Okay, so perhaps the best place to go if you want to get information from Manchester is the National Graphene Institute website. That's a massive new building that is actually just finishing building at the moment. People are coming in, they're starting work there, and that is bringing together a lot of the graphene research and also getting a lot of industry to come and collaborate, trying to make graphene not just a research amazing thing, but also into reality commercially. So we have loads of information there.
And I know you're doing some work with the Manchester Museum of Science and Industry.
Yes.
Can you tell us about that? Because they're one of our Curiosity Project partners.
Sure. Yeah. So we are organising Graphene Week this month in June, and we're going to have different exhibitions at the Museum of Science and Industry. Well, people, I think, will be able to have a go making graphene themselves as well.
Thanks very much, Gabriel. Thanks very much. And if you want more information, I'll put all the links with this blog.